The 2026 Tesla Model 3 is here, and it brings a full package of upgrades that make it more advanced, efficient, and refined than ever. Tesla has redefined this electric sedan with a stronger focus on performance, comfort, and technology while keeping the price competitive in the EV market. The exterior design has been slightly refreshed with sharper headlights, a sleeker bumper design, and new aerodynamic wheels that not only look better but also help extend driving range. Tesla has improved the drag coefficient, making the Model 3 glide smoother on highways, which directly benefits efficiency inside. The cabin feels more premium and minimal than before. Tesla has introduced new soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and acoustic glass that reduces outside noise. Rear passengers now get their own climate controls and an upgraded screen for entertainment, giving the Model 3 a more luxurious feel compared to earlier versions. The centerpiece of the interior remains the massive 15-inch touchscreen, now faster and more responsive with updated Tesla software. This screen controls nearly everything, from navigation to streaming to advanced car settings. Over-the-air updates continue to improve features, meaning the car keeps getting smarter even after purchase. Performance is where Tesla never disappoints. The standard Model 3 now delivers a range of around 350 miles on a single charge, depending on configuration, while the long-range version pushes close to 400 miles. Acceleration is still a highlight, with the performance model sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds, rivaling high-end sports cars. Tesla's dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures stability and traction even in tough conditions. Charging has become more convenient with Tesla's supercharger V4 network rolling out. The 2026 Model 3 can gain up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes of charging, making long road trips easier and faster. Home charging solutions also remain a strong point for Tesla, giving owners flexibility and daily use. Safety remains at the core of Tesla's engineering. The Model 3 continues to score top marks in crash tests with its rigid structure and advanced driver assistance systems. Autopilot and full self-driving capability have seen improvements with smoother lane changes, the better recognition of complex road situations, and more reliable city driving assistance. Tesla has also worked on improving ride comfort. A revised suspension setup provides a smoother experience, making the Model 3 feel less harsh on rough roads. Noise insulation is better, the ride is quieter, and overall refinement has gone up to compete with premium brands. Price remains an attractive factor. Tesla has managed to keep the Model 3 affordable compared to rivals, starting around the mid-$30,000 range for the base model and going higher depending on trim and battery options. For what it offers in technology, safety, and performance, the value remains strong. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 is not just a car, it is a complete package of futuristic technology, long range, quick performance, and premium comfort at a price point that keeps it accessible for many. Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what an electric car can be, and the new Model 3 shows why it remains one of the most popular EVs in the world.